You ready? And taste test. Hey friends, want to make a snack you can stretch, roll, and eat? I got you. Fruit by the foot. 3 ingredients. Let's go. Okay, let's add 3 cups of blueberries and raspberries into our blender. Next, let's get 2 glops of honey and half a lemon. Squeeze, oh my God, look at it. It got in my eye. It's like, but it's pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. Done. Hey, we got one more step. We're gonna take our puree and heat it up in a saucepan for around 10 minutes on medium heat. Ready? Now let's spread evenly. Okay, now let's get this in the oven at 170 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 hours. That's like a whole day at school, but it'll be worth it. Bum, 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 bum. Here it is, out of the oven. It's no longer sticky. It was in there for 6.5 hours. Not sticky. We're gonna take it and we're gonna cut it up into strips. Let's go. So not a fruit roll-up that I'm gonna try or fruit by the foot that I'm gonna try, but just called fruit leather. We'll try it. You ready? And taste test. Oh, it's good, it's fun. You could rip it in designs. I'm a fan. Make it with your kids, make it with your parents. Just make it whatever fruits you got. Let me know how it goes. Like, subscribe, comment.